Welcome to SpotOn Color. I'm Catherine Haynes, and I'm going to take you through a very quick overview of the new SpotOn Color solution. When you first launch SpotOn Color, it opens up right into the job selector. You can see there's a good bit of information that can help us identify a specific job. I also have, for this specific job, an image file that I can reference. So I have a visual aid to help me select the job. And then of course I can use any metadata attached to that job to help me further filter and refine a search for a specific job. For any job, I can start a new set of measurements if it's a brand new job, or I can resume measurements if I've already started a set of measurements for that job. I could measure a copy of the job. So perhaps I have a new order. I want to continue tracking the job, but under a new order number. So it's a different group of measurement sets. And of course, I can create a whole new job, but if I choose, I could use this job and edit a copy of it. So use it as a template to create a different flavor or version of another job. So maybe it has all the same colors, but two different brand colors are going to be used. I'll take us into the view report, which allows us to see a lot of what you'll see in either of the measure or the resume job measurement windows. But this will allow us to see measurements that have already been taken for a specific job. So it opens right up into the job statistics, and I can further dig in and try to understand what's happening with specific colors or specific measurements of a job. I can check through the gear side, operator side, artwork side, and then I have an overall report on how all the production measurements were tracked and performed. We have a grade. We'll have some more information coming on this, but we can customize a grade process for the job and track those production measurements to get a pass-fail for a job. And then we have all of the different display options that we can go through to further understand what happened on any specific measurement. So I can filter through the measurements within a group of measurements for a job and further dig into how that color performed throughout the run. So these are just some of those different displays that I can put up there. If I want to see how things performed operator versus gear, this is also available in the measure mode so that while you're taking measurements, press operators can compare operator gear side, and they'll get the same exact feedback immediately to help them understand how they need to make adjustments in order to balance the press side to side. We have an interactive trending graph now. So as I click on problematic colors in that trending graph, it's automatically taking me to that respective measurement set and color so that I can understand. You can see this one here has a comment attached to it, and I can see that I commented that it needed more impression. You can also look at the measure point file that's been attached to that job and do some further discovery on the overall history related to those production measurements. And finally, I can export this as a job to share, or I can save this report and use that as part of my job history tracking for that job, or to share with management or customers or whomever. So with that, I've shared the basic functions and features of the new SpotOn Color product. We're really excited about SpotOn Color and would love to schedule a demo. Please reach out to your APR sales rep, or you can contact us through spoton-color.com. Thank you.